love this type of grass in the world. This is known as a Miscanthus sinensis, and this particular kind or variety is called Little Kitten Grass. And what I love about it is its neutral color of its flower, or I guess you'd call it a plume. But I also love how small it stays. It remains about 3 by 3, so it might get a little bit higher than this, but for the most part, this is its size. It blooms in the fall to winter, and then it gets cut back into the late winter and early spring, so it can pop back out again in the late spring. And you can mass plant it, which is how we used it here. We've got a long, big row of it, which makes it a beautiful mass planting, especially when it's blooming like it is right now. But it can also be used in a container or alone by itself in a bed as a statement plant. It's drought tolerant, and it can handle some pretty tough soil as long as it's not sitting in water all the time. So hopefully you'll get to use this plant in your garden or landscape, because it's definitely one of my favorites.